As you can see, young man, I am ready to help you, but I don't know if you are ready to help yourself. Help me. Before anything, I'm going to ask you some questions. Maybe from the question I ask you, I will know where to start from. Àkọ́kọ́ ná, kí lorúkọ ẹ? Orúkọ mi. Yeah, orúkọ ẹ. Orúkọ mi gọgọgọgọ ó ní EbiDende. Orúkọ bàbá tó bí mi lọ́mọ gbọ̀ngàn ni. Dejo Tunfulu.
You are not a bastard.
EbiDende. Sorry, ṣé orúkọ tí ìyá àti bàbá sọ ẹ́ gangan nìyẹn? Oh, is that the name your parent has given to you? My daddy fún mi nìyẹn o. Ìyá káde kò mọ mi. Daddy mi sọ fún mi pé wọ́n pa ìdíyẹ wọ́n dẹ̀ fi pa ajá. EbiDende nìyẹn ló tọ́. So, you said you want to learn how to read and write, right? Fẹ́ kọ́ bí wọ́n ṣe ń kàwé, bó ṣe lè bá àwọn èèyàn sọ̀rọ̀ ní public. Okay, I want to ask you this question. What class are you? Class tí mo wà. Class wo gangan ló wà? No. Dàbí pé mo wà ní nursery 1. Sorry, Wabi. Ṣé o fẹ́ sọ pé o wà ní SS1 àbí I don't know? SS2. That's not a problem. I'll take good care of you. But I want to ask you. Orúkọ ẹ yẹn, ṣé o lè spell orúkọ ẹ? Mo lè spell orúkọ mi o. O lè spell ẹ. Sọ pé kì í spell EbiDende. Oh yeah, spell EbiDende for me.
Child.
Orúkọ mi nìyẹn.
Will you keep quiet?
Sọ pé ẹ̀pà. Ẹ̀pà. Sọ pé ó ti lọ. Ó ti lọ. Àwọn méjì spell orúkọ Nàìjíríà ni.